We know there are those who focus more on seeking power than securing the future, than securing the future. From people who will look back on this week. You're the reason why I'm so optimistic about the future of our country. Those tiny computer chips. Federal research and development brought down the cost of making them. And then something happened. American manufacturing, the backbone of our economy, was hollowed out. We let semiconductor manufacturing go overseas. And as a result, today, we barely produce 10% of the semiconductors, despite being the leader in chips design as well as research. And as we saw during the pandemic, when factories that make these chips shut down, driving up costs for families and everyone, not just here, but around the world, automobiles, and a shortage of semiconductors. And they've chosen the United States of America. They look at China, Japan, South Korea. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I want to take another sip of water. Qualcomm, made in America. This law funds the entire semiconductor supply chain. Invent the next gen big things that hadn't even been imagined yet here on Earth. Builds on another, one of my many top priorities. I'm not going to go sign the Chips and Science Act. Thank you. Okay, you ready? Got it?
Whoa. It's low.
All right.